What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Happy Easter. Hope you guys enjoyed your long weekend. But tomorrow, stock market opens. We're regular hours. We're full. We're back to work. So let's go over the stock market expected moves like we normally do. We'll go over the Russell, the Nasdaq, the S&P. We'll throw in Tesla in there because that's a very popular one. But again, these are market makers. Will take this data. They take all the options data. And use this to, it's where they define their risk at, right? So anything outside of these numbers, while they often do look like support and resistance lines, they are not. This is where market makers decide if they have to put in some work or not. Getting outside of this, we're going to draw out these two lines. We'll call it a range. Everything inside there, they have hedged for. Remember, when you buy a call, you are positive deltas. They sold it to you, so they're negative deltas. They will go buy shares offsetting that. That's how they remain at a neutral delta and still provide you the market you have to trade with. So that being said, it's not a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm sure at the money closer it is, and then once it gets out, I'm sure it feathers off. So it's not again, it's an algorithm. So once they get outside of that, all those that were out of the money not accounted for need to be accounted for. So often that's how I paint the picture. Like it's time to rein it back in so they don't have to do any work, or we got to start delta hedging. They got to start getting to that neutral delta, which is going to obviously which will just melt that price up or down. We've seen that a lot on the past few Fridays, as a matter of fact, and a lot of people are attributing that to 0 days to expiration, and that is when we go on a run and it's just what's done. It's not like the fire's been set and it just continues to go. Speaking of fire, fire alarms, or not fire alarms, fire trucks. I got windows and doors open, so it sounds like a madhouse, I'm sure. Anyway, let's jump into that. Last but not least, I'm opening up Lifetime just for a little bit. I created a coupon code, so if you guys do buy my course, that's the teachable link down below. Futures did get started, so there's one futures video uploaded. I hope to have that done within the next week or two. Then we'll do Forex. Again, this is all if you get the trading suite. As I finish each individual one, you can buy that kind of a la carte. Trading suite has everything. Again, as I add videos to it, the trading suite will go up. So instead of doing like expiring coupon codes, I just upload it. I'm gonna raise the price as I go, and if you want it cheaper, just get it sooner, kind of thing. Like that, felt that was fair for everybody. But anyway, use coupon code Lifetime. There's only 30 available, and that's that. So try that. That's still there. Watch out for my email. That'll be Lifetime to the mentorship. The mentorship is the Patreon. That is tier 2. It's kind of just everything. So the daily streams. If you want just that, the monthly option, that is just Patreon tier 2. But nightly live streams, you'll have all my charts. You get to see all my trades in the E-Trade account. But it's rock and roll. Let's get our numbers first. Let's get TOS. April 14th. All right, so we are on Tesla 1125. All right, SPY. Last week we expected about a $6 move. 763. Interesting. Q's 783, 20 cents more. So we're not really pricing anything crazy. About an average week. 482. Start from the top. All right. Anytime you guys see these are plays that I'm in. Put that way. That was my alert to buy more. Here's the trade. I actually posted this during a stream because someone asked me, "Hey, what do you think about Tesla?" So I posted this up there, and shortly after, did take that. All right, so we are 1125. Let's get to the daily. So that puts us this week right inside this zone right here. Very interesting. Expire the 14th. Let's make that blue. Doesn't need to be that exciting. We're 5 cents off, so give or take. We're not fighting over pennies here. Again, these are not support resistance levels. You will often see that bounce there a lot. See how he came down right to it, just bounced that day, got right up to it, sold off, and it's just again, like to say, the market makers, they're being lazy that week. They didn't want to do any extra work. Come on now. All right, before this confuses anybody, let's get that over. All right, there we go. SPY 763. Close enough. Futures haven't opened yet, and if you catch this, I am going to go live 1 hour after futures open. I know it is Easter. I don't expect a lot of participation, but I do want to just breeze right through it. So no, not a whole lot of repeated rants or anything like that. It's not lesson time. It's just expanding. That way, for anyone that doesn't catch it live, at least catching the repeat is kind of on point. That'll be on my other channel, Don Franz Show. QQQ was 783. Man, is this a parade? You guys still hear the sirens going on? It's like a parade going on outside or something. I don't live far from a. I for some reason never clicked. This house that I have, this one, there's a fire department right down the street. So I get to hear every call, I guess. Did I do 763 on that? Alright, it was 783. Alright, I didn't. Personally, when we get outside these moves, I actually look to sell. In this case, we would have sold puts. We get above, I sell calls. This is 482. Oh, we're going to get my dog. Got the whole deal in here. Alright, man, you know, I gotta say, I'm not sure how I feel about this week. I know I'm currently in a short position. So hopefully it melts down. I'm short the ES contracts. So we bring that back in. This is what I'll talk about on Don Franz Show. We'll talk about it after the first hour opens up. We just didn't see much off the report, I thought. Ultimately, we did hold that zone and push up. And I was thinking we would break below this. When we got this, so I've been short. And this breakdown right here, I thought we'd see some buyers here. No big deal. I even bought a couple. So I'm in ES. I bought MES to hedge that. And I did lock those in, and now I am just short. But I will switch to go long if we do not break this zone. Monday or Tuesday. If we're not here, then I have to just go short. Or I mean, go long. At that point, the trend is going. I thought we got a little extended, so I want to play that pullback. So I went ahead and jumped on those tracks, caught that knife, made a couple bucks, but the short position is red. I've only, in theory, made a couple bucks because I've locked in green. My current position is red, hasn't been locked in yet. So I don't know what you want to call that, green or red, or both, to be determined. Okay, Siri, please stop. Man, this is a full stream of just all kinds of interruptions. Anyway. These computers won't stop listening in. I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Again, if you're going to get the trading suite, there's only 30 spots available. Just use coupon code LIFETIME on the trading suite. And if you do that, look out for my email. That's how you'll get access to the Discord chat. Everyone else, I hope to see you on Don Franz Show. Have a good one.